Today in the soft skill classes we are going to know about different topics. So let's begin. So today in this soft skill class we are going to know about difference between written and oral communication. So what we are going to know in this difference are introduction, then we will know about oral communication, then we will see written communication and the difference and conclusion. Introduction. Oral or written communication is the verbal communication. This process of communication is known as the verbal communication. As we know, word plays a crucial role in communication process to transmit, like to spread the message. To deliver your message, word is the crucial part of delivering your message. Without words, you cannot deliver your message. So when words are used in the process of communication, it is known as verbal communication. As we have seen in our previous video, the non-verbal communication, which was body language, this is verbal communication, which is through words. Verbal transfer of information can be performed orally or written. Oral communication is known as the oldest communication system. It is not anything which has been started in recent era. It is being running from long era and eras ago, which is the most commonly used medium for exchange of information. It involves gathering or disseminating information through spoken words, whereas written communication, on the other hand, is a formal meaning of communication. This written communication is a formal means of communication, wherein message is carefully drafted and formulated in written form. It is kept as a source of reference or legal record. Anything which is written is maintained as a record, legal record, or reference as a source. Let us come into detail of oral communication. Oral communication is a process of conveying or receiving message with the use of spoken word. This mode of communication is highly used across the world because of rapid transmission of information and prompt reply. Oral communication can either be in the form of direct conversation between two or more persons, like face to face, or through lecture or meetings, seminars, group discussion, conferences, etc., or indirect conversation, that is the form of communication in which a medium is used for interchange of information. Just like nowadays, when we are all in lockdown, we are calling each other through either telephonic conversation or video calling conversation or voice calling conversation. In those kind of conversation, that is known as the oral communication, but one is direct and another is indirect. Next is what is written communication. Written communication, in which the message is transmitted in written or printed form, is known as written communication. It is the most reliable mode of communication in which you can rely, because it has got a proof, a storage, a resource, and it is highly preferred in the business world because of its formal and sophisticated nature. The various channels of written communications are letter, email, journals, magazines, newspaper, text messages, report, etc. There are a number of advantages of written communication, which are referring the messages in the future with the easy. Like if you want to refer any kind of message in your future, like you have paid any kind of money and you have got a receipt, you can say, see, this is a receipt and I had paid the money. So receipt is a written communication which you can use as a proof for your future use. Then before transmitting the message, one can revise or rewrite. Whereas in oral communication, once the word came out from your mouth, is out. But in written communication, what you can do, you can check, you can rewrite, you can cut. So this is the advantages of written communication. Then The chance of misinterpretation of message is very low. Like the chances of misinterpretation of messages become lesser in written communication because the words are carefully chosen in it. Then comes the communication is planned. Like when you are writing something, you plan it, right? So the communication is planned. Legal evidence is available due to the safekeeping of records. Then let's come to the differences of oral communication and written communication. First come oral communication. The type of communication in which the sender transmits the information or message to the receiver through verbal speaking the word is known as oral communication. When they are speaking the message is known as the oral communication, whereas when they are writing the message, when they are taking the help of the text or printer to convey the message is known as the written communication. First point. Second point is, there is for oral communication there is no such condition in case of, like it is said in written communication, a pre-condition is that the participant who want to convey the message have to be literate, like have to know how to read and write. But an oral communication do not need such literacy. Anyone who knows a language can use a word and can speak. Third is, oral communication is faster than the written communication, because oral communication is do not need any draft, do not need any review, you can just speak. But whereas a written communication need to go through a lot of processes like writing, planning, checking, so it takes a bit of time. Last but not the least, the word once in oral communication, word once uttered cannot be reversed in oral communication, but you have got a chance in written communication. You can check, recheck, cross check by cutting the like original message and writing it once again. So this were the examples, like these were the differences of oral and written communication. So what we came up to the conclusion is that the oral communication is an informal one, whereas the written communication is a formal communication, formal one, which is used in school, colleges, business worlds, etc. Choosing between the two communication mode is a tough task because both are good at their place. No one is less or higher in nature. Both of them are perfect in their place. People normally use the oral mode of communication because it is convenient and less time consuming. However, people normally believe in written text more than what they hear. That is why written communication is considered as a reliable method of communication. I hope you liked my video. That was all for today. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.